said a tooty-top, tooty-top, tooty-top-top. A tooty-top, tooty-top, tooty-top-top. A tooty-top. Wait. Hey. I know you. I'm about to. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I am so glad I just ran into you. Hey, I'm Miss Kathleen. I'm going to be your first grade teacher this year. I have so many things to tell you, and I can't wait until I get to meet you and your parents and anybody you want to bring on down to the classroom on Get Acquainted Day, which is August 3rd from 3:30 to 5:30 p.m. While you still have a little bit of summer left before we get to meet one another, if you're having a hard time finding the school supply list, you can go to our website at poplarvilleschools.org. Now, let's say for some reason you can't make it to Get Acquainted Day. I really hope that's not the case, but if it is, I need you to know that the first day of school is going to be 2 days later on August 5th. So make sure you are here bright and early on August 5th to start your brand new year of first grade. I can't wait to see you then, and I can't wait to meet your whole family on Get Acquainted Day. Coming soon, your parents will be receiving a text message from me. This is from an app that we use at the school called School Status to communicate with parents. I also love to use Class Dojo, which I'm sure some of you are familiar with. So on Get Acquainted Day, you're going to have a brand new invitation to my Class Dojo, and we'll be able to communicate there too. So make sure, parents, that you're looking out for that. And babies, I can't wait until you're my babies. See you soon, guys. Bye.